Thinking about buying a portable dishwasher? Smart move, but here's the thing. Pick the wrong one and you're looking at installation headaches, disappointing performance, and money down the drain. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 things you need to know before you buy, so you get it right the first time. And if you want to skip straight to the best options, I've linked my top picks in the description below. Let's get into it. First up, size. Don't assume it'll fit just because it's called portable. Portable dishwashers are bigger than countertop models, and you need enough floor space to actually place it, use it, and move it around when needed. Before you buy anything, grab a tape measure. Check your kitchen floor space, make sure the doors can open fully, and confirm the unit can roll in and out without blocking your whole kitchen. Buying a dishwasher that doesn't fit your space is one of the most common mistakes people make, and it's completely avoidable. Next, let's talk about water connection because this catches a lot of people off guard. Most portable dishwashers connect directly to your kitchen faucet through a hose. Sounds simple, but not every faucet is compatible. Before you order anything, check whether your faucet will work with the model you're looking at, and pay attention to how easy the hose is to attach and detach, because you'll be doing that every single time you run it. Some models make this genuinely effortless. Others turn it into a frustrating 5-minute process every time. Convenience here matters more than most people realize. Number 3 is capacity, and this is where portable dishwashers actually shine compared to countertop models. They can handle a proper load, which makes them a solid option for families or anyone who's cooking and cleaning up daily. But before you buy, think about how many dishes you're actually washing at once, and double-check that the model can fit your plate sizes. Oversized dinner plates don't fit in every dishwasher, and finding that out after the fact is frustrating. Match the capacity to your household. Don't overpay for more than you need and don't buy too small. Now this is the one that really separates the good models from the mediocre ones. Cleaning performance. Not all dishwashers clean equally well, even at similar price points. Look for models with multiple wash cycles, strong spray arms, and solid water pressure. Those are the things that actually get your dishes clean. Bonus features like a quick wash mode for lightly used dishes, or an eco mode to cut down on water and energy use, are worth having. They might seem minor, but over time they make a real difference in how practical the machine is day to day. And finally, mobility. This one sounds obvious, but it's easy to overlook until you're actually living with the machine. Portable dishwashers are meant to be moved, but not all of them are easy to move. Look for smooth rolling wheels that won't scratch your floor, a compact enough design to tuck away when not in use, and ideally a build that doesn't feel like you're wrestling with it every time you need to reposition it. If you're planning to move it regularly, even just rolling it to the sink and back, this matters a lot. Alright, so before you buy a portable dishwasher, make sure you've thought through these 5 things. Size and space, water connection, capacity, cleaning performance, and mobility. Get these right and you'll end up with a machine that actually fits your life. I've linked my recommended models in the description below. Go check those out if you want somewhere to start. If this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe to Product Radar for more honest buying guides and product reviews. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.